With Custimoo Customizer, it's easy to create your team design in just a few minutes. Let's show you how. Step 1 is to choose a product you want to design. For this example, I will design a t-shirt. I will upload my team's logo and the customizer automatically finds the colors in the logo. This makes it very easy to get the right colors for my jersey. I can choose my colors manually or use the shuffle feature to see different designs. You can also add any sponsor logos you might have. I will then choose a template to begin my design with. When I'm happy with the colors, I can continue to the name and numbers. Both are included for free. You can choose between different fonts, change colors, add an outline, and change the size of the text. You can also choose between options for the collar. I'll go for the polo neck for my jersey. If you want to share the design with the rest of the team, log in and save your own locker room and share it easily with a link. When you're ready to order, you start by filling out the roster. You add your team's name, number, and sizes, or you can use the Excel template to quickly populate the roster. After that, you can place your order and check out. You will then receive a picture of a test print for you to approve. After your approval, we will produce your order and send it to you with free shipping. We'll be here under the entire process, so don't hesitate to let us know if you need any help. Good luck!